Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on this first impression review demo tutorial on this Maybelline New York Brow Fast Sculpt, I think it's a gel. Please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. So let's jump right into it. So I wanted to do the review part first before I did the demo first impression. So I read up a little bit on this because I've never used this product. This is a brow gel mascara. So, and they say it's like easy and for like people on the go that are like in a hurry, and it also has pigment in it, which means color. So I picked it up at Walmart for, it was around like $7, I think. It also comes in 7 shades, and so they probably have the shade that matches you. I got the shade black brown, and the number is 262, and I will insert pictures of this towards the end of the video. So I am super excited to test this one out because I've been using the Color Pop, and that's really good too, and I've been using the Anastasia like gel thing, brow gel, and in the color walnut, and I do like that, but I wanted to really test this one out to see how well it like compared to other ones too. And I also use like shadow scents, just not for my eyes but for my brows. You can use Mocha Java and Rustic Brown for that. I have been using Candy Cocoa Shimmer. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but I like those work really well, but I want to put this one to the test, so I am going to do that now so you can join me in the demo part of this first impression review and demo. Okay, to start off the demo part of this first impression review and demo, this is what the packaging looks like. I forgot to tell you that in the review part, so I haven't even opened it up. It's brand new, so I'm just gonna bend it a little bit, and it kind of looks like, well, it's like a darker brown, but it kind of looks like a lipstick thing that you would apply, but it's not. And don't use it on your lips at all because it's not for that. I was just saying that it looked. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a little tube. The number is on there, and it says brown black. So I put foundation all over my face. That's how I do my makeup because I have vitiligo, and so like I have an uneven skin tone, so I have to make sure that it totally blends in, and so I even sometimes put it on my brows. So here I go. I'm gonna open it, twist it, and it comes with a little spoolie. I used a brush, and just brushed it up a little bit. So I'm just going to start. Wow, this is really, really good. I might have to add, like, it looks kind of weird because I haven't got my eyebrows done because of this quarantine. But I think I would go with like a darker, like a lighter shade, like more like a warm brown. Even though this is black brown, it's like totally black, I think. So now I'm doing the other side and I'm just filling them in. Just like that. I'm going back in. Oh boy. I don't know if I like this or not. I don't know if this is a go out and get it. You know, sometimes I'm gonna use a small brush that I have. I'll be right back, folks. Okay, so I'm using my little small eyeshadow brush by Saucony Cash, and I'm just lightly going in and just I don't know. This is not my color. I think it should be like a warmer brown. So I'm actually going to try something and it's going to be on camera. I'm kind of scared to try it. So it doesn't look bad. Like, I'm not saying like it totally went on easy. And I'm not saying that this is a bad product. I just think I got a really like darker color. And I'm not used to it. Like, I would want a warmer brown. So I'm going to use a little bit of Shadow Sense Candy Cocoa Shimmer to add to that. And I need to get okay, one more thing. Okay, so I couldn't find my little, like, brow pencil. So I'm going to be using this Saucony Cash little brush. I think it's like for eyebrows. I'm not sure. I got it in a like thing, like a brushes from Target from Saucony Cash, and I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I got it around Christmas time, so I am just lightly going to take some Candy Cocoa Shimmer Shadow Sense and just lightly put it in my brows. Oh, that makes it a little bit different. So I'm just going to take out the one and just lightly go over. Probably make it worse than it is, but it like warmed it up a little bit. Like, seriously, I just like want to wipe it off, but yeah, I don't know. This is not a go-to for me. So I'm just gonna add some in there to like fill it. Okay, I think it makes me look really different. I don't know at all. So what I'm going to do is take my Saucony small eyeshadow brush and just lightly go over it. I should have just kept it like it was the first time, but I don't like it at all. I really don't at all. It makes me look weird and funny, and yeah. You are getting my first impression, folks, right here. I've never used this product. So I will come back with the end result of this review and demo first impression tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this Maybelline New York Fast what was it called? Fast Brow, or Maybelline's Brow Fast Sculpt. And you saw my first impression. I had to do so much off camera just to put a little bit of this Brow Fast Sculpt by Maybelline New York. This is not the right color for me. I think I will test it out again and use a brown, like a lighter brown. So please give this video a like or a thumbs up, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please also don't forget to ring the bell. And one more thing, please also share this video so that people will know about this product, and maybe you can comment or they can comment and tell me their thoughts. So thanks for watching, and thanks for staying home with me. Remember, we're all in this together, and stay home. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this Brow Fast Sculpt by Maybelline New York. You saw my first impression, and it was fine at first, but then I started to add more, and I did not like it, and I totally went off camera, and I had to do so much just to put a little bit on. You can totally see right here that it's like different color, and I feel like I totally messed my makeup up, but I didn't because my makeup's still on. But this is not my go-to. I might try it in another color, like a medium brown, like a lighter brown, and see how that is, and then do a tutorial on it for you guys. So thanks for watching my first impression review demo tutorial, and please also don't forget to like or give me a thumbs up on this video. Please also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching.